Jai Hind. The topic for today is comparing and ordering two-digit numbers. Before we compare two-digit numbers, let us understand what do you mean by comparing. Comparing means to find out which number is bigger or greater and which number is smaller, and then arrange them in a particular order. It could be ascending order from small to big, or it could be descending order from big to small. When we have to compare two numbers, first of all, let us understand how we compare when the digits in tens place are different. So when we compare two-digit numbers, we have to start with the digit at tens place. For example, 38 or 27. We have these two numbers here, 38 or 27. We can write 38 in expanded form like this: 3 tens plus 8 ones. 3 tens plus 8 ones. And we can write 27 in expanded form as 2 tens and 7 ones. Now we compare the digit in the tens place. 3 tens and 2 tens. So 3 tens means 30 and 2 tens means 20. So which one is greater? It's the 3 tens which is greater. So the number which has 3 in the tens place would be greater than the other one. So in this case, 38 is greater than 27. So this was the case when the digits in tens place are different. The next case could be when the digits in tens place are same. For example, 64 and 60. In this case, if we write it in expanded form, we have 64 equal to 6 tens plus 4 ones, and 60 in its expanded form can be written as 6 tens and 0 ones. So now 6 tens is equal to 6 tens. This side is equal. So we'll compare the ones digit. So in the ones digit we have 4 and 0. So it is very clear that 4 is greater than 0. So the number which has 4 in the units place will be greater than the other number. So we write it like this: 64 greater than 60. Okay. Let's arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means from small to big. We write the smallest number first, then the between number, and then the biggest number. So first of all, we compare the tens of all these numbers. In this case, the tens is 5. So we write 5 tens. In this case, in the tens place we have 2. So we write 2 tens. And in this case, we have 7 in the tens place. So we have just written 7 tens. Right? Now you can see that which would be greater. 5 tens means 50, 2 tens means 20, and 7 tens means 70. Now since we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order, the smallest would be the first number. So 2 tens, this is the smallest. So the number which has 2 tens is 28. So we write 28, which is the smallest number. Then So we have written 28 here, smallest number. After 20 we are left with 50 and 70. Which is smaller, 5 tens or 7 tens? It is 5 tens which is smaller. So the number which has 5 tens, that means 54, will come next. And we are left with only one number now which has 7 tens, that is 76. So we write 76 in the end, which is the biggest number. So we write 76 in the end, which is the biggest number or the largest number. So these numbers we have written in ascending order. Likewise, we can also arrange the numbers in descending order, that is from big to small. Let us look at the digits here. The numbers are 29, 28 and 45. So the first step is we compare the tens. In the first number we have 2 in the tens place. So we write 2 tens here. In the second number again we have 2 tens. And in the third number we have 4 in the tens place. So we write 4 tens. Now remember, we have to write these numbers in descending order from big to small. So from these tens, the biggest number would be, or the biggest tens would be, let's see, 2 tens is 20, 2 tens again is 20, and 4 tens would be 40. So 20, 20, 40, which one is the greatest number here? 4 tens is the greatest. So the number which has 4 tens is 45. So 45 is the biggest number. We write 45 first. Now we are left with 2 numbers. Now these 2 numbers both have 2 tens. Right? They both have 2 tens. 2 tens here, and this also has 2 tens. So in this case we have to compare the digit at the units place. We will be comparing the digit at the units place. So in the first case it is 9 and in the second case it is 8. So which one is bigger? 9 is bigger. So the number which has 9 is bigger here. We are comparing the units digit. Here it is 9 ones and 8 ones. 9 is greater than 8. So we write this number after 45. We had already written 45 here. Then the next number we write is 29 because it has 9 in its units place, and then 28. So that's how we arrange the numbers in descending order from big to small. Now these are a few numbers, few questions that are given to you for practice. Just a quick recap. I hope you remember the signs that we use. This sign is used to show the greater number. You see the open mouth? You see, for example, this is the open mouth, right? Okay, so the mouth which is open shows the bigger number. For example, if I say 90 and I write 89, so we have 90 greater than 89. If I write the other way around, for example, I have two numbers, say 78 and here I have 67. So in this case, which is the bigger number? It has 6 tens and it has 7 tens. So 7 tens would be more. So we'll put this sign facing 78. And if the numbers are equal, for example 67, and on the right hand side also we have 67, so we write equal to sign. Okay, one more time here, I'll just show you. For example, we have this number 54 and we have 50. In this case, the tens are same, so we compare the units digit. 4 and 0. 4 ones and 0. Which one is greater? 4. It has 4 objects here and it has none. So we know that 4 is greater than 0. 4 is greater than 0, so 54 would be greater. So we use the open mouth towards 54. So similarly, by comparing the numbers, the digits in the tens place and units place or ones place, you have to insert the proper sign in this exercise. The next practice exercise is write the numbers in ascending order. Now the 3 numbers are given to you. You have to write them in ascending order. Ascending order, you remember, from small to big. Small to big. Let's take another example here. 23, 20 and 25. The tens are the same. The tens in all the numbers are same. So we compare the digit in the units place. 3 ones, 0 and 5 ones. Which is the smallest? 0. So we write 20 first, comma. Then this is done. Now we have to compare 23 and 25. The next would be 3. 3 is smaller than 5, so we write 23, comma. We are left with 25. So we write 25 here. So these are the numbers in ascending order. So similarly, you have to do this exercise and write the numbers in ascending order. And in this one, you have to write the numbers in descending order. Descending order means from biggest number to smallest number. If you have any doubts, you can go back to the video, check it again. Still, if you have doubts, you can call me and confirm. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, goodbye.